homeowners, it's Bianca from your favorite channel, MF Home TV. So this episode is another one for all y'all dormers and mommies and daddies with children in the university, because we all know how expensive it is to study in a coffee shop, but we still do it because it keeps us awake and productive. Pero, ang sakit-sakit-sakit sa bulsa, diba? Saan naabot yung 500 pesos mo? So, we figured we'd turn your bedroom into a place where you actually want to study in, right? It hits two birds with one stone kasi nakapag-aral ka na nga, nakapag-save ka pa ng pera. So, swak na swak sa budget. So, tara and go, let's do it. Let's turn your dorm room into a better place to study in. Here is one of the most important areas in your dorm room, only second to the bed of course, the study area. A dedicated study area where you can focus on working on your assignments is so important. The loft bed is perfect because the study area is far from the bed. Literally, you have to go upstairs. You know that tempting feeling we get when we're studying and then we see our bed, or worse, our bed is right beside us? The loft bed prevents that temptation and will give you a push to work your butt off. You study on the bottom and snooze on top. Next, you should pay attention to lighting because ample lighting is needed to keep your eye on the prize. Since the loft bed doesn't provide lighting, this adjustable clip desk lamp will do the trick since you can transfer it wherever you like. We suggest to add an extra one in the bed so you can review your notes one last time before you hit the sack or when you feel like reading a novel. Our third tip is to remove all distractions. Aside from weeding out toxic friends and toxic people from your life, because we're tight in space, our study area also doubles as a vanity area or as a dresser. So as you can see, there is a mirror here and some of you may, body and kikai stuff. So, before you start studying, it's best to have an ottoman placed at the bottom of the table so you can remove any distraction or any items that you don't need when you are studying. We highly suggest to only keep things that are needed for studying because psychologically speaking, when your environment is organized, your mind will be at peace. Tip number 4 is to have easy access to everything you need. That's why we place this bookcase next to the study area so that you can grab things like your books, some snacks, and some coffee. This office chair is also great because you can just glide your way to reach whatever you need to reach. And our second to the last tip, but equally as important as studying, is taking a break. Like this. Studying all night long will take a toll on your mental health when you push your mind and body too hard. So it's good to create a tiny spot where you can take a breather. It is best to separate this spot from the bed because more often than not, taking a study break on your bed will make you sleepy and soon enough you'll be dozing off with laway dripping from your mouth. So get a comfy chair and an ottoman to stretch your legs and unwind yourself. Don't forget to take a drink with you. Lastly, aside from setting targets in your planner or on your phone, inspirational quotes help you manifest your dream in a bigger way. These words of wisdom will remind you of your goals and dreams and attract the universe. And of course, what are dreams without our friends and family? Placing photos of them will remind us that we can do it and they'll always have our backs. Aw, how wholesome. And that's it. Thank you for watching this week's episode. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and hit that bell icon to always stay updated. This is Bianca for MF Home TV, inspiring your home.
Congratulations to last week's winner. Here's this week's prize.
And reminding you, hoy! Don't forget to study ha! Galingan natin!